ये वाइट में है।
Hello dear student, now today we will look mottos, written name and mottos on each bag. Read with me and enact what people are saying. हर बल्ले पर लिखा हुआ नाम और पैगाम पढ़ो। ये लोग क्या कह रहे हैं मेरे साथ साथ पढ़ो और अदाकारी के साथ पेश करो। We like to help animals. We care for all animals. Protect all animals, amazing animals. Look student, which animal we are looking? Yes, elephant. I like to read. I like to learn. Book teach us many things. We love books, reading club. Now next is we care for plants. We help to grow plant. Protect all plants. Go green club. Now next is health club. Health is wealth. Eat well, sleep well, exercise every day. Keep your body fit and neat.